Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us discuss about the trend analysis. How we can use the trend analysis to maximize profit in the stock market. By going with the trend, we can greatly increase the chances of making a profit in the stock market. Firstly, let us understand what is trend analysis. Trend analysis is predicting the future stock price movements based on recently observed trend data. So trend analysis is based on idea that what has happened in the past gives traders an idea of what will happen in the future. The advantages of trend analysis are going with the trend instead of going against the trend can help to boost the investor's profit margin. Trend analysis can help you to pick optimum times to enter and exit stock position. That means it will give you an idea when to buy and when to sell the stock and helps you to become a better trader. It is also beneficial for spotting early warning signs. Careful trend analysis can sometimes help a trader to spot the potential problems before they become widely known. If you spot a change in trend, that is your cue. Dig deeper to find out and take action so that you can increase the profit and reduce the loss. The importance of trend analysis is that it helps to put you ahead of the curve. Of course, you need to consider a lot of other factors like company's financial conditions, but trend analysis is another valuable asset to add to your toolkit. Now let us discuss about the trend analysis methods. By using these methods, you can greatly improve your chances of making a profit in the stock market. Trend analysis methods are used by traders. These methods are also part of technical analysis. The first trend analysis method is moving averages. When a short-term trend crosses the long-term trend in a downward direction, it means stock is moving downwards. This is a graph of Infosys share price. Here the yellow line is 50-day moving average and this grey line is a 200-day moving average. Here we can see when 50-day moving average crosses this 200-day moving average in downward direction, it means stock is moving downwards. Here we can see stock price has come down here significantly once it crossed the 50-day moving average. Once the 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day moving average in downward direction. Also here we can see the yellow line, which is a 50-day moving average, is crossing the grey line, which is 200-day moving average in upward direction, and it crossed in upward direction, and after that stock has moved significantly in upward. If we can pick this opportunity and we can invest here, we will get a significant return over a period of time. And this is the importance of moving average. It can help you in making a very good decision to enter and exit your position. That is when to buy and sell your stocks. Here another trend analysis method is momentum indicator, also called RSI or relative strength index. Here you can see one green line and one red line, and this graph indicates RSI, and here we can see when the RSI crosses above this green line, that is above 60, then stock price is going up here, and this is the time when we can spot this opportunity and we can invest here, and here stock price moves up and we can get a significant return. Similarly, when this RSI graph is crossing this red line and coming below 40, and we can see here stock price is coming down in this time when the relative strength index crosses this red line and comes below 40. So it means when it crosses above 60, it is time for investment, and when it crosses It means when it crosses above 60, it means it is a opportunity for buy, and when it crosses below 40, it is opportunity for sell. It is with respect to short term trading. And another trend analysis method is trend line and chart pattern. Here we can see this is a share of TCS, and from a particular point of time it keeps moving in upward direction, that is uptrend. If we can pick this trend somewhere here, we will be able to gain the profit over a period of time. Also here we can see trend is downward and stock is continuously reducing in its price, and these trend analysis methods can help you greatly, and you can become a better trader by following this pattern. In conclusion, by going with the trend, we can increase the chances of making a profit in the stock market. These methods are useful for short term trading. Long term investors may need to use different methodology based on the investment objective. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video.